Picture a world where an incredibly useful AI named GPT-4o, developed by OpenAI, is constantly at your disposal, proficiently handling text, audio, and images with ease. It's as if you have a highly skilled tech assistant always by your side, capable of assisting you in a multitude of tasks. Whether it's offering real-time coding suggestions or providing succinct summaries of lengthy documents, GPT-4o is truly revolutionizing the way we work. This AI is not meant to replace human workers but rather to streamline processes, particularly in fields like supply chain management and finance. While some are in awe of its capabilities, others remain cautious, drawing parallels to the film Her. Regardless of differing opinions, one thing is undeniable: GPT-4o is leading us towards a future where humans and AI collaborate harmoniously to achieve extraordinary outcomes.